Hey everybody, this is Justin Roner from Agriscaping.com. So I want to share with you the top 4 edible flowers for Valentine's Day. And so there's a few different ones that I've got here in this subterranean garden that we just finished a little bit ago. So you can see the beautiful subterranean garden. This is underneath the trampoline. But one of my favorite ones is down here at the bottom. It actually works pretty good in the shade. It's the Primrose. So number 1, the Primrose. The Primrose flower itself is one of the only ones that you can actually create and make like a nice layout of, and because it's got a hole right through the center that you can actually just lace things through, and you can stack them on top of each other. But wonderful edible flower. Second one is not in here, so I'm going to take you out to it. So number 1, Primrose. It's actually a pretty sweet flower, kind of peachy, kind of tasting, and we're almost done with frost season, so a lot of these trees can get their frost cloth taken off in just a few minutes. So second one. Here, you got to check out this garden. This is a pretty cool garden. Pretty sweet setup that we helped put in. And then this little guy, number 2, is the Pansy. And these ones, pretty small little guys, but this one has natural antihistamines in it. Also a wonderful one that you can just add to a salad. It's best to pinch them off anyway so that they'll continue to grow. We call it deadheading. But rather than deadheading them, see, I'm going to take this one off. So rather than deadheading it and not doing anything else but just letting go of that beautiful flower, you can actually just eat the thing. These guys also a sweet flower, relatively speaking. Next one is the Viola. Looks very similar to that one, but I'll show you what the Viola looks like. Say hi, Joseph. Hello. So gardens like these, got to pay quite good attention to their microclimates. As you can see on the trees on the area there, we've got them all bundled up because they're all citrus trees just recently planted. And then we got all these, here's the Violas. So Violas number 3. You can see this nice little cluster of Violas that we have here. Beautiful, also very edible, natural antihistamines as well. And we've just been working on, there's our steam treatment right there. There's Chris working on the steam, getting rid of the weeds. It's a very organic way to get rid of weeds, is using steam. You can see the beautiful garden in the background. I'm looking forward to sharing this place with you later when actually all the leaves are all leafed back out and the gardens look amazing. So number 4, I'm going to take you to, and this one's especially good for Valentine's because of its color, which you can probably already guess what color it is. And not just that, but also the flavor and the shape. No, this isn't a bleeding heart because we don't grow bleeding hearts here in Arizona. This is actually a little bit different variety. It's a begonia, and this one in particular is called the dragon heart begonia. So I'm going to bring you over to this dragon heart begonia, and it's got some heart-shaped kind of look to it. I'm trying to see if there's some that, here we go. So doesn't that look like a heart? It's got a pretty heart shape to it, right? So these little guys, just before they bloom, this is what they look like. So you can kind of see. But these things are wonderfully sour and a nice little tart addition to a salad. Wonderful things you can throw in there. If you want to check out a place where you can get begonias on a salad here and you want to go out to eat, the Fellow. So Fellow restaurant, it's an Italian restaurant in Scottsdale, so it's at Sky Song. We've been growing a bunch of these for them, specifically for Valentine's. So if you want to get some of these in a beautiful salad and take your honey out for an awesome time, check out Fellow at Sky Song. That's it for today. Those are the top 4 edible flowers for Valentine's. Hopefully you can grow some in your own garden. It's still a good time to grow a lot of them. These guys can handle a bit of the cold. The begonias can. And we still got a little bit of cold left, but through spring all the way into March and April, if you put them in an A microclimate, that's the best place to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed today. See you later.